Welcome to Gran Hotel Inglés, one of Madrid's most extraordinary stays, part of the leading hotels of the world. Nestled in the vibrant Barrio de las Letras, this 19th century gem places you at the heart of Madrid. Just steps from Puerta del Sol and the city's main museums, every cultural marvel is within reach. Step inside to discover rooms featuring a stylish decor, echoing its original Art-Deco elegance. Each space offers a welcoming seating area and modern flat-screen TV, designed for your comfort. Begin your day with a superb a la carte buffet breakfast, offering both hot and cold delights. Later, enjoy a crafted meal or cocktail at LobByto, the hotel's sophisticated hall bar. Indulge in relaxation at the serene wellness center, or maintain your routine at the fitness facilities. Gran Hotel Inglés provides an unforgettable Madrid experience, inviting you to discover its charm.